everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable multiple pre-moves on chess.com. First of all, open the chess.com application. You can see over here chess.com has been opened. Tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can access various options over here. Tap on the option settings. Now over here, what you have to do is tap on the option play that you can see on the screen. Select the option for live games by tapping on it. Now over here, at first you can find the option for Premove. Simply tap on this option. You can see various options over here: disabled, single, multiple. Since you want to enable the multiple Premoves, tap on the option multiple that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the multiple pre-move has been enabled. Now you'll be able to make multiple moves on your opponent's turn and it will automatically move. So that is how you enable multiple pre-moves on chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.